Your top 10 delights from the final day in November. At number 10, we've got actually 4 plays, all of them of the buzzer beater variety. That's Kyle Lowry at the end of the second quarter. End of the third quarter, DeMar DeRozan tipping in the miss and the foul. Here's Ivan Johnson and the first half at the highlight factory. And then J.J. Barea gonna round it out for the Timberwolves. Look at this tough shot with Brandon Jennings all in his grill. Couple of buzzer beaters on Friday. At number 9 in Sacramento, Jimmer Fredette ball faking and getting it up over Jan Mahimi. Look at that, the nice pass fake, and then get that one up and over the defense and gets it to drop through. At number 8, Danilo Gallinari. Watch him grab the rebound here. He is the man furthest away from the hoop at this point, and he just beats everybody down there and flushes it, slicing through the LA defense or lack thereof. At number 7, you see Gallinari one more time. We head to the Garden. Pablo Prigioni, the 35-year-old rookie. Watch this hoop. J.R. Smith, the recipient on that one, as he goes reverse on the lovely assist from Pablo Prigioni. At number 6, we head back to the highlight factory in Atlanta. And Josh Smith stepping in the passing lane, gives it up, but gets it back from Devin Harris. And Josh Smith, part of the reason that arena is named the Highlight Factory, for plays like this, the high riser for Jay Smooth. At number 5, Larry Sanders had a triple-double that included 10 blocks in this ball game, 4 of them on this play alone. Kevin Love, Nikola Pekovic, not once, not twice, but 3 times. 4 blocks on the play, 10 in the game, tying Kareem Abdul-Jabbar's franchise record for most swats in a contest as he continues to deny the Minnesota offense. At number 4, Thomas Robinson, a similar build to LeBron James. And LeBron made this play famous. The chase down block. T-Rob got one on Tyler Hansbrough as he erases a would-be layup in transition. At number 3, the Lakers finding some comfortability with each other. Dwight Howard tipping it to Pau Gasol. Gasol says, "There you go, Dwight. Take it right back." That's some smooth ball right there as Dwight taps it with the left and then knows to go right back to the rack, and Pau, a very high IQ, gets it right back to the big fella. Number 2, E'Twaun Moore. Speaking of high IQ, watch this play. Moore trying to save it. He does so off of Josh Childress, chases it down himself, and lays it back in. Watch the awareness, though, not only to hit the ball off Childress, but get both feet back in bounds before he touches the ball. And that's your number 2 play. But number 1, back to Atlanta. Dion Waiters sets his feet. That one way off, but Alonzo G is right there. Johnny on the spot for the tip-in, and that would be a game winner, spoiling Atlanta's 6-game winning streak. Cleveland gets the win, and that's your top play of the night for Friday, November 30th.